Hey guys, Mitch here from Rangeland RV. I'm standing in the all-new Rockwood Freedom 2318G. This tent trailer is coming in at about 17 feet from hitch to bumper. You're working with about 2,500 pounds of dry weight and a fully loaded weight of about 3,200 pounds. So it's in that really nice category for any small, mid-size SUV towing capabilities and even some minivans. So let's talk about some features on the Rockwood tent trailer and what makes Rockwood the most successful tent trailer purchase in the industry today. Starting right off the hop, you're going to have a ton of features on this trailer. They do give you a 200 watt solar panel installed on the roof, which is great if you're doing a lot of dry camping. A lot of people who own tent trailers are doing a lot of dry camping, so that is going to complement with that 200 watt solar panel the consistent charge to your batteries, because you are working with a 3 cubic foot 12 volt fridge on the inside. But most importantly, I want to talk about Rockwood. Since the beginning of time, since they've been building their tent trailers, they use what's called the Whisper Quiet power lift system. So it is a power system where you click the knob up and it will raise the roof for you. You're not going to have to hand crank anything like you probably remember camping in a tent trailer a long time ago. It does come equipped with two 20-pound propane tanks, so tons of propane on there as well. They do give you a hot water tank, so it's a 6-gallon quick recovery propane electric hot water tank. So you will be having some hot water as well with that. So taking a look to here outside, they do offer the bracket here so that you're going to have that cast iron griddle for your outside cooking with the prep table. Let's take a look on the inside and go through some things that they offer here on the inside. Okay, so here we are inside the 2318G. One thing that I love about Rockwood tent trailers is they have everything you possibly need for your camping experience. So you have a fixed 3-burner stove right here for your cooking. You're not going to have to take this in and out. You'll find that in most comparables in the market, that's what you're working with. With this, it's fixed in here and you have a separate cooking station outside like I'd mentioned before. Sink right here, hot and cold water. And then right here, if you take a look, you have your shower, stand-up shower. You also have your toilet, which empties into a cassette. And then you have your shower curtain above as well. Now, behind me is going to be the king bed. This king bed, it has a heated mattress. So if you have plugged-in power, you can heat your mattress up before you go to bed. Snuggle right in there. It's going to be nice and warm while you're going to sleep. They do have some additional storage over top, so you can put all your additional clothing or anything you'd like to keep up there. Then behind me, or right over here, sorry, is going to be your dinette. So nice, decent sized dinette. Works great for additional sleeping space, but you can fit your whole family around here. If it's not nice weather out, you can share a meal, play some cards, sit around there. It does have a furnace on it as well, so you will be nice and warm during the nighttime. It also has this fantastic fan right above us over here. So those fans are amazing. They can suck out about 900 cubic square feet of hot air out of this trailer in under 1 minute. So you're definitely not going to get too heated up in here if you need to cool it down. And then right below me here is going to be your gacho style bed. It does slide out to make a decent size single bed for additional sleeping accommodations. And then over here is going to be your queen. So again, on this opposite side, heated mattress as well, and then you have your overhead storage right here. So please hit that like and subscribe button. We got a lot of great content, and if you want additional information on the Rockwood tent trailers that we have here, please go to our website at rangelandrv.com. Happy camping.